who's like homeless, and sometimes you can, but most of the time you can't. The homeless look like they got more money than me, and I ain't even got no money. So I don't know about that drone thing, man. I'm about to just probably just go home.
How to get millions, ain't nobody show us. From my young 50 boast on a little nigga grow up.
Yo, what's good, guys? I am literally about to hop out right here and do an on foot. I just did the Chicago's. Halloween's yesterday. Today is actually the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm trying to get at least some things filmed before I get lazier, because you know Thanksgiving is, you get lazy and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna hop out real quick. I know the on-peats have gotten a little light, but due to time constraints, holiday hours, and the overwhelming demand from China, you know, the videos just kind of, you know, they gotta, you know, the videos are just what they are. Shout out to all you guys that are watching this video right now and still rocking with your boy.
What's going on, guys? I got a few things to get off my chest real quick. Check this out.
You on that retail, I'm on that U-way.
Yeah.
You on that retail, I'm on that U-way. Looking at the stock X out, like, man, no way.
Let's go.
Picked up my phone, opened up GOAT.
Here we go.
Looked at all them prices, man. I was like, no.
Hell no.
Opened up WhatsApp. What's happening, Lisa?
What's good?
Send me them Travis Scott ones. You know them ones that look like a pizza. Yeah. Now I'm about to ball out.
Oh, we balling.
Man, ain't no call outs.
Nope.
All you clowns on the internet with that sneakers at. What's that all about? Oh, let me guess you got 'em.
You ain't got shit.
Man, you ain't got 'em. Now you back on IG hitting Zane like, yeah, I copped
now you want to be like me.
Shot him up like Colo with the dunk lows in the snow, bro. Rocking Jordan 2s with the polo. Trying to call me out, that's a no-no. The shoes is gifted, looking for Pippins. Ain't no air chickens.
Nope.
You want sneakers looking mad as hell. Like, man, why not hitting? Cause you on that retail. I'm on that U-way.
Took another L.
You on that retail. I'm on that U-way. Man, I buy retail too, but man, them prices is high. I'd rather just pick up my phone, go to IG, go to WhatsApp, hit up them peoples, you know what I'm saying, across the water. They gonna ask you what you need, what size, just sock it to their pocket, and they gonna hook you up in like 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, why you playing with them apps, man?
Apps is stupid.
You playing with your mental health when you playing with
Why
them
you doing
apps,
that,
man.
Don't do that.
I don't know. Like, why? Why would you do that to yourself?
I'm sheep.
And this whole call out thing, let me tell y'all something. I wear my shoes everywhere.
Everywhere, man.
And everybody just be like, yo, where you get them?
Come on, where you got
Show
them?
the channel. And that's that. I'll be like, yo, I got them here and all this fake.
Nah,
man.
We don't do that.
I wear what I want to wear, and I keep it pushing.
Peace, love.
You on that retail.
Retail.
I'm on that
Still
U-way.
on that retail, man. What's wrong with
You on that retail.
Alright.
I'm on that U-way. Alright guys, and that was I Don't Do Retail by Colo G, coming to all streaming platforms at some point. So today we have a size 9.5 Air Jordan 4 Fire Red Toro, whatever you want to call them. These are back from, I want to say, 2015 and maybe 13. And this was a pair I got when you actually had to camp outside of sneaker stores to get shoes. And in this case, you had to camp outside of the mall, like literally camp outside, put a chair down, get cozy, you know, and do what you do. And, you know, I sold them for about $350 on eBay, and about 2 years later, because I just didn't wear them that much, and I thought $350 was a lot of money at the time, which it still kind of is. And they were a 10.5. Yeah, see that arm right there is looking real skinny. Let's have a look at the retail pair. I just did a retail video. Okay, it's skinny in that one, but it's a little fatter than this one. Oof, a little skinny, but it's okay. The overall shape of the shoe I'm not mad at. What I'm mad at is the actual material of the sneaker, and I can't really say this is incorrect or wrong or fault the gifter at this point, because I don't know if this shoe is coming out. And they could have the same materials that I'm looking at right here in my hand, because I've done that before. I've said the shoe was all wrong, and then when they came out by retail, it was actually correct, and that was the black and yellow 12s I made that mistake on. And yeah, it looks a little crooked back there. You see that line? Not that bad, but a little crooked. We have the gray bottoms. Nailman Kick still has his pair. He still has his pair, and he's done videos using that as a reference point for a retail sneaker. But Nailman Kick still has his pair. They're not that beat. They look pretty good, but check his video out. I tried to look for it and I couldn't find it, and well, I couldn't find any close shots of his pair. And you could obviously go on the internet and look at the OG pairs, and right now they're going for like 600, 700, maybe 450 somewhere, but it's not worth it. I would not buy it. If this shoe came off for retail, I don't even know if I'd actually pick it up, to be 100% honest with you guys. That's why I was like, let me just get a UA pair, do a review, and just see what we get. Yeah, I see there's some stitching and there's some inconsistencies, but again, I don't think this shoe is even slated to come out in the near future, so it kind of doesn't matter. These to me remind me of like those Jordan 4s I did, those Fear 4s. Like, those aren't coming back out, but they kind of, you know, they give them back to us sometimes. Maybe not 100% true to the original design, but we got to take what we can get. All right, now as far as the Blacklight, I found more things on the Blacklight, not stitching marks, but just like they might have spilled something on these. I don't know. I'm not sure. You see the guidelines at the tip of the toe. There's guidelines all over. Red kind of hides them a little bit better than white, but the markings are there, and I attribute this to this just not being the original makeup. If you go back and look on this video, the air bubble looked like it was almost yellow or gold, and I don't think that was the case back then. I think it was either red or gray. But yeah, there's just like stuff all over these. So again, shout out to the gifters. And I do retail. I buy retail sneakers. I mess with those stupid apps, but it gets frustrating, and sometimes you might have to make some other choices. So make sure you follow me on IG. Check out the rest of the videos. I'll start the lives back up when I get some. Well, I'm lying. I ain't got no plans for a live, but I love you guys. Peace.